Good morning, children. Myself Shalini. I am going to teach you mathematics of class 4. In our previous class, we have discussed about the numbers. Yes, no, children? Yes. But in today's class, I am going to start the syllabus. So, what is the lesson number 1 of class 4, children? I hope all you can read. Yes, it is perimeter and area of simple geometrical figures. So, what is the first lesson of fourth class, children? Yes, it is perimeter and area of simple geometrical figures. So, before going to that, we will discuss about the shapes. Have you ever, children, about the shapes? So, can you name few of them? Yes, they are square, rectangle, triangle, so on. So, children, in our today's class, little bit we will have recap about shapes. How we are going to create the shapes? Any idea, children? So, what is needed to create the shapes? Yes, we need lines. So, with the help of the lines, we are going to create the shapes. So, we can create different types of shapes using straight lines and curved lines. So, children, we can create the shapes using straight lines and using the curved lines. So, there are two different kinds of lines. So, how many different kinds of lines we have, children? Yes, it is straight lines and curved lines. We will see straight lines now. We will discuss about the straight lines. Straight lines drawn in different directions are named as follows. So, we can draw the straight lines in three different ways. So, first is horizontal line. I hope you all can understand. Second is vertical line. And third is slanting line. So, straight line can be drawn in three different ways. So, one way is like horizontal we can draw. We can draw vertically or we can draw even slanting. We can make this slanting lines. So, these are the three different straight lines. Next is curved lines. Curved lines may be drawn in different ways that give them different shapes and name. So, they are not straight line, they are known as curved lines. Examples are loops, circle and oval are the curved line. Curved line means they will be not straight. That with the lines which are not straight, we call them as a curved lines. Next, shapes can be classified as plane figures or 2D shapes. So, children, in shapes, we are dividing them into two types. First type is plane figures and second type is solid figures. Plane figures are also known as 2D shapes, whereas solid figures we can also call them as a 3D shapes. So, first we will discuss about the plane figures. What are plane figures, children? Plane figures are flat two-dimensional shape. So, what are plane figures? They are flat two-dimensional shape. Two-dimensional in the sense it has two dimension. Means for that type of shape we can find length and breadth. Means it will be having two dimension, that is length, breadth we can call them. So, some of the plane figures are square, rectangle, triangle, rhombus. Rhombus are also known as diamond and circle. So, these all are plane figures. So, these are the images. I hope you all can identify. First is circle, second rectangle, then third is square, then triangle, then it is rhombus. I hope you all know properties about these figures. I hope you all learnt in your previous class. Next is solid figures. What are solid figures, children? Yes, solid figures are figures which are not flat. Which are flat, we call them as a plane figures. Which are not flat, we call them as a solid figures. So, few solid figures are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. So, these are known as what, children? Yes, these are the solid figures. So here are the images, how they will look. So first is a cuboid, cube is there, cone is there, sphere, cylinder. These are the shapes how they are going to look. I hope children all you understood this. In our next class I will discuss about the perimeter and area. Means to find the perimeter and area we need the shapes. Without shape we cannot find them. That is why I covered first topic as a shapes. Means square, rectangle. Based upon that we are going to find the perimeter and the rectangle. So thank you children. Have a nice day.